Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about the reasons why your plants are dying. I can't list every single reason why people's plants die, but I can list you why mine did. One of the first things that I learned was my lighting was too bright. I had a lot of plants that were low light plants and I just basically cooked them. I was told these plants were beginner plants and they were easy and all I had to do was throw them in my tank. Well, that's not true. You have to kind of do a little bit of research. Google everything before you put it in your tank. If you have fish that are nippers, that could be a reason, but for the one reason for me was lighting. Also, you need to do water changes. Water changes is probably one of the most basic things you have to do for the first, I'd say, couple months of the plant's life. The plants are going to start moving, they're going to start rooting, and they need clean water, especially if you fertilize. Depending on how much you fertilize with, some people use the cap method and it says to on the bottle, but try using a syringe. You can pick them up any drugstore, grocery store. Also, where did you get your plant from? Did you order it? Did you buy it from someone in town? Did you buy it from a big box store? That plant transition from wherever it came from to your tank is probably one of the most crucial things you need to figure out. You need to get it done as fast as possible. And if you're planning, like the way I did with my bag method in my other video, you need to be ready. You need to have all that stuff ready to go ahead and plant. It's very important that you get that plant in that water as soon as possible. And also, what are you planted in? Are you in dirt? Are you in substrate? Are you in gravel? You probably need to do water tests for ammonia spikes, for too much nitrogen. If you don't have plants and you want to get plants in there ready, use a house plant. There's quite a few online you can Google that will pull nitrogen and clean up your tank. How much time do you spend looking at your plants? Because they can turn very, very fast. So I would say, and it's probably the best part of having plants is getting to look at them, but really look at them. Go in there, investigate, because it doesn't take too long for them to go bad. Remember, a plant that grows fast is going to die fast. A plant that grows slow is going to die slow, right, too. And also, lighting. How long is the lighting staying on? That is a very important thing, because I know some people, you like to look at your aquarium and you'll turn your lights on when you're not even at home, but you want to see them on the weekend. I get it. I've done the same thing. You probably want to do a minimum of 8 to 10 hours. And I think that's probably the best way to keep algae. You will get algae blooms if you do it for 12 hours, if you do it for, 16 hours. So that plant is really not going to like that much light. So I'm hoping this little list I, made up helps you. And if you have any questions,